Hello, I get another hello. Right, this is one of my places I like to walk around, take pictures. Interesting place. Let me make sure I got my car keys. Yes. Hi. Interesting building. Building, that's not a building. Bridge. Alright, I'm going to walk on both sides of here. I find it interesting. Today started out sunny, now it's getting cloudy. I usually stop by here maybe at least a couple times a year, take some pictures. Hello! Another hello. Hi. Another hello, maybe two. Cool. Yeah, great boat. I have to remember not to go too fast all the time. Slow it down. I like this place. Wow. Now, how would you like to walk the plank like that? Oh, that's not too bad. They got a railing there. I might not fall. Where I'd fall is at the end of it. Oh, there's a little like, it's like a ladder or something. I don't know. I'd probably find a way to fall off of it. Not that I'm klutzy or anything. I'm just kind of old. Getting older. Now there's a good garage. See that? A garage. And you see those all the time. So I don't know. I have to be careful. A lot of Vietnamese have 2 and 3 dogs, and they might not like me. Kind of like the rooster in my one video. There's a boat. I don't want people to get mad at me. That's pretty cool. Nothing to it. I could get on that boat, I think. Now, why? I wonder if they live on that boat. I was gonna say, everybody's on there, but they're not going anywhere. I guess they're going to. Maybe they catch fish for a living. I don't know. I guess maybe you fish if you're on a boat. La, da, 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 da. Now this is a cool place. I think so. I could live anywhere. I lived in Price Hill for a couple of years, 2-3 years. If I live in Price Hill, I could live anywhere, trust me. Alright, what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to stop this video up at the street. I'm going to start another one on the other side. So, I don't want to make this too long. But he looks like he's a photographer. Maybe not. Right, that's my scooter there, my electric scooter. Alright, I'm going to shut this off.